Good morning, everyone. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and yesterday we went to Vestal, which is like a shopping area near Binghamton, and I got a few things at Dollar Tree and a couple of things at a thrift shop. I got this wall border. This was all that I could see from the package. And I'm not a big fan of the rooster, but you know, we can work around the rooster. I guess there's two roosters. And I got this wall border, which I thought would make cute pockets. This could actually cover a whole page, or make it a cover of a country journal or whatever. I got some more tea lights for my seals. I got this vellum, which I have never seen before. It was already opened in the store, but I thought, I don't have vellum. I don't use vellum. I don't know how to use vellum, but I see everybody else using vellum. So I thought I'd give it a shot. I've got some more eggs to paint to put in some of the little Easter baskets that we made the other day. I got a couple more of these roller cutters. And I got this spatula because I've seen people using this to lift up things to glue under, and I just thought it might come in handy. And then this I have never seen at my Dollar Tree, and actually it wasn't even my Dollar Tree. It was far, far away. It was like an hour and 15 minutes drive. And so I thought this would be a good one to check out. I've never seen this before, and pink is my color, pink and purple and blue. So I thought, well, these could make nice backgrounds or journaling cards, anything like that. There's dark blue, that's like an ivory, pink, a nice shade of green, and this is like a purpley gray. I mean, it looks a slightly purplish to me, but I think it's more on the gray side. So we got that, and then I got this candle stick holder at the flea market, and I found this cute, fancy little twisted candle to go in it. I really didn't want this color, but it was the only twisted one they have, so I got it because I wanted a twisted candle. And that's everything I got at Dollar Tree. Okay, so before I was so rudely interrupted by my battery going dead, I actually forgot what I was saying. But I'm going to pick up where I hopefully left off by saying that we went to my daughter's international night at her school. And my daughter, she is a teacher of English as a second language. She helps all the kids coming into her school that don't speak English basically make sure they understand their work and what they need to do. And so there's only one other English language teacher, and the both of them have organized this international night for the last couple of years all by themselves, and I was totally shocked by how great of a job they did. Now, there was tons of people in there. It was so loud you couldn't even hear yourself talk. But and then there was tables all set up from the different countries representing all these countries of kids that go to that school. And this was not even all of the flags. I tried to collect one of every country, but I didn't do so. That's a lot of countries represented in one school. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Did I count that one? Plus, because I didn't get all the flags. Here's some of the pictures that hopefully you can see. All around the whole gym were tables like this. It's very small. I hope you can see it. Set up of the different countries. And then a lot of the kids were dressed up in their native, attire. I don't want to say costumes because that seems weird to me. But, you know, and they had foods to try, and it was just incredible that two women, two teachers, could get this all set up and put together. These kids were doing, one of their traditional dances from their country. They all made paper dolls that were up and down the hallways, lining the hallways. All the kids did that. But anyway, I'm going to do something I don't ordinarily do, and I'm going to skip this page and this page, and I'm going to put my two big photos on here. I'm going to cover this up with something nice and put my flags and the other pictures there. So that's what we're doing. And all these little flags are stickers. Some of them got a little messed up in my husband's pocket, but I'm going to have to actually look all these flags up because I don't remember what countries they were from. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is just line up my little flags and see if I can fit them all on here. Like, I'm not sure. Pretty sure maybe these go this way. I hope so. I probably should look these up, but let's just see where we have the fit. If they all fit. And then I'm going to look up flags and make sure I have them going in the right direction. But I was so impressed and proud of my daughter for being able to do this and pull it off. Okay, so they do all fit. Oh, that's awesome. Alright, now this one got a little messed up. We've got 13, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Alright, now it's time for me to do my research. Flags of the countries. So this was the poster and the flyer that went around about the cultural fair. A picture of my daughter and her family there. And then all the different flags, the Philippines, Puerto Rico, Czech Republic, Dominican Republic, Venezuela, Myanmar, I'm not sure how to say that, China, Greece, Bosnia, Ukraine, Kyrgyzstan, Germany, Syria, Albania, and there was also, among many others, Vietnam and Pakistan. Now, I want to give you a little bit close-up. These are like little dolls on the table. Yeah, these are paper dolls. I think I may have already said that. Tables that were all around the gym. A little dragon on the table. Some women in their native dress. I'm not sure what country this one is from. I believe this was Pakistan. Trying not to get a glare, but it's just... And the outfits were so beautiful. Look at those cuties. They were so cute. I think that was Mexico. Not sure about them, but they did a whole dance. Yeah, they were dancing here, and there's some more dancers, but I don't know what, this was the Vietnamese family. Look at those beautiful dresses. And then this was a lady from Pakistan. That's the Pakistan flag there that I didn't get, and she was giving everyone henna tattoos. And then the last page is my husband holding my grandson, and me with my grandson and granddaughter, and just people in the background that I covered up their faces. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this spread, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're doing well. I hope you're happy, healthy, strong, courageous, safe, and all that jazz. And we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.